Well, I mean, I think the biggest thing for me, and I kind of mentioned this in the presentation or the panel discussion, is really how the tool relates to the process of design, and also how that also relates to the imagination and what people imagine the capacities of it to be. So I think it's important for educators to uncouple the teaching of the skills from a particular tool or particular software, and that you teach basic kind of first principles of computational design and integrated or informational thinking, and because then what's able to happen is, someone was talking about disruptive technologies or disruptive performances, that basically people are able to have a flexibility to work with different platforms, so that the knowledge is transferable between different activities, but they're basically getting basic principles of computational design. So, one of the themes I mentioned was this idea of fitness, that you're basically able to see an array of kind of solutions and apply kind of principles of decision making to that array of solutions. You're able to define problems systematically up front, and again, I think what's also important is to not teach it as a solution or a way of generating solutions, but a way of generating options that, again, in the fitness model, that you move towards a certain kind of best fit solution to your design problem. So it's important to teach it through a tool, right? To have a particular tool that you teach with, and that students are using learning the skill sets, but you're not necessarily telling them what buttons to push or how to push a certain button, but you're actually teaching them to develop frameworks for understanding how the technology is changing the profession.